Okay, guys, I thought I would do just a quick little instructional video for my Latin 2 students to help you with grammar exercise for Lesson 40. Lesson 40 introduces us to declension of third declension nouns. And in this case, we're talking about feminine and masculine third declension nouns. Neuter is slightly different, and there is also some other variations that we'll see in the future. Okay, but let's just look at sort of ordinary masculine and feminine third declension nouns. For instance here, pes, pedis, which means foot, by the way, and you probably could have worked that out. If we look at this, of course here, both of these are the nominative and the genitive. I'm going to go ahead and write that there, pes, and I'm going to write part of this one. Because if we look at this, the reason it's important, and the reason that we're given the genitive all the time, is because the noun stem is right there. Now, it hasn't mattered one iota when we're dealing with first and second declension nouns because the stem is the same throughout for the most part. Okay, but here, when we get to third and fourth and fifth declension, it becomes really, really important to know this, because that is going to be the stem for the rest of it. And so if I was to be declining this, here's the way I would do it. Here's the sort of the simplest way to do it. Okay, I'm going to just write the stem for each of the cases. Okay, nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, ablative. Okay, there's the stem. I've written it for singular. I'm going to write it over here for the plural as well. Okay, and here's the way that I remember the endings for this. Okay, obviously for there it's es. And the little chant I have is x, because oftentimes this is x. If we had like dux, ducus, rex, regus. Okay, it's not always x. X is kind of like a variable, right? We would use in algebra. So it could be any number of things here. So but the way I would remember is x, es, e, m, a, s, ibus, s, ibus. Okay? X, es, e, m, a, s, ibus, s, ibus. Just like we think of us, e, o, e, orm, is, os, is, or I, arm, is, as, is. Okay, same sort of thing here. So x, not that it is x, sometimes it is, but just the fact that it could be any number of things. X, is, e, m, a, s, ibus, as, ibus. Okay, and that's all there is to declining a lot of your typical masculine, feminine, third declension nouns. Okay, in fact, that's primarily how most third declension nouns are going to be declined. So just follow that. Again, here is the stem of your noun. That's what's going to appear all throughout here. This is where it's different, and you have these different endings, of course, for the rest of them. Okay, x, is, e, m, a, s, ibus, s, ibus. All right. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys, and I miss you. See you later. Bye.